Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There's one story time, or yeah, I love to yap. That's why I'm telling. I went to this salon. The salon name is Juice Salon. Okay, I think its main headquarters is either Mumbai or Dubai. I don't know about that. Yeah, and I not recently, on 24th of March, no, 24th of February, I got my nails done. And yesterday I removed it, but I didn't go to salon. I just removed at home because when I was in my native place, my thumbs nails, okay, it was constantly falling back. It was not sticking up to the mark. Okay, anyways, so my thumbs nails and my index finger, his fingers nails, like they were constantly falling back. Okay, so I ordered Fevikwik from Blinkit, and I tried to stick, I tried to put the Fevikwik's glue in the nail, and then I did it. Then also, like uh, after 1 week, it fell off. Okay, so it's not my first time experience. Okay, I went to Juice Salon on 24th February. I think it was 31st or 30th October. Not February, no, October. Okay, 31st October or 30th October. Okay, yeah, I remember. And yeah, I went that day, and on that day, and then from last time's experience, it was like way better because it was the senior artist. Okay, and it didn't fell off, and it's not that I did rigid. I used my nails like tools, or I used it harshly. That's why it came off. No, I used it like not like tools, but by closing doors and all, it came fell off. But I did the same on 2024. Okay, when I was in my native place. Okay, at that time I also more. I used my nails as tools, more rigidly. Yeah, but my nails didn't come off. It was on the place the whole time, and I kept my nails for 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, but this time I kept it for 2 weeks because it was coming off, and I think this time, this time, her assistant did. Okay, when I was doing my nails in 2024, the senior nail expert came, and what do you say? I think nail expert. Okay, she did, and the person who did my nail this time was sitting with her. Okay, and she was talking to her. I don't mind that; it's normal. But yeah, the senior did it good, but when I asked this time, when I asked where is she was like, she's off from break. She would come next day, and next day I was leaving for my native place. Okay, girl, she didn't even bro. It came off after 1 week, and the nail color I was not that satisfied. Plus it was looking cheap, which was not. I paid 3,900 for those nails. Yeah, 3,900, almost 4,000. Okay, and last time I paid 3,000. I don't know what changed, but yeah. um yeah, so, and they were looking like store bought. You get press on nails for 300, 400, and up to 1,000 also. But it was extensions from the salon, and it's much better, but it was looking like store bought nails. Plus it was not good. Okay, and yeah, last time when I did it, my hands were looking beautiful. And yeah, it looked like it was my natural nails, but this time it didn't look like it. and my nails were also damaged. I don't know if you can see. I'll put a picture here so that you can see how my nails are looking. Like my nails are, damaged. The nail skin, nails upper layer, came off. Like, I don't know if you can see. I'll put a picture here. Yeah, okay. And yeah, so if you want my recommendation, if you're going to this salon, juice salon, ask for a senior nail expert, or I don't know, like client means customers. I don't think nail expert. I think I don't know. Yeah, I like put up here like what they call. Okay, so if you're going to juice salon, my recommendation is that ask for either a nail expert or a hairstyle expert. I mean senior hairstyler, because they will do your hair good. Because whenever I'm going to that salon, like every time I'm asking for a senior hair dresser or senior hairstylist, and my hair comes out good. But don't go for junior, because they are still learning. So but they are still learning, so it would be not that, sometimes it would turn good and sometimes not. So the best bet is probably go with senior one. And same for nail extensions also. Ask for senior expert and all, okay, because the junior, they are still learning from the seniors. Okay, so yeah, like take for example that you want to learn maths. Okay, like you want to learn maths of 10th standard, and there's a person who is in 11th standard and 12th standard, and they have a really strong good basic. And there is another person who is in 10th standard only learning maths. Okay, so who would you prefer? Person who just graduate, like passed 10th standard with a really good 100 on 100 maths score, or a person who is still studying in 10th? The senior one you would choose, right? Because you want good marks in maths. Same applies for the hairdressers and nail expert. So please ask for senior one, okay? Because my nails got damaged, like slightly damaged. Like I can fix that up, but yeah, I recommend you, if you're going to this specific salon, juice salon, then please ask for senior stylist, okay? And if it's not juice, if it's any other Tony and Guy, Lakme, any salon, just ask for senior, not junior, okay? That's my recommendation. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This was my first video, I guess. I'm new to YouTube. Like I am new to like making YouTube videos. So I hope you'll support me, and will reach 200K one day. Like I hope this year will reach 200K. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.